Promise. Hi guys, theresesohere. So today, Filipiniana theme tayo. Pinusod ko pa yung buhok ko because we're gonna taste the very famous Fiesta desserts. I'm really so excited to dig in kasi ang tagal ko nang hindi nag-attend ng Fiesta. So, ang saya-saya ko ngayon na eto, nakalatag sila lahat sa harapan ko. Fiesta is one of the celebrations that we cannot do now, and I think it's gonna be a long time till the time that we can do fiestas again. So I'm really so glad that there are so much sellers online who sell the fiesta favorites that we've all been waiting for every time that there's a fiesta. So I'm really so excited. Let's dig in. Let's start this. The first one that we're gonna taste is Maha Blanca by Mahal. Look how they group this latte so that you can slice it in squares and you would have the fair share of latte. I'm so excited to try. Let's try it. Let's get some. Okay. Slice it and get some. This is a different version of Maha Blanca. It wasn't the taste that I was expecting, but what should I say? It's very sweet, but when you get a bite of the corn inside and the latex, it's kind of balanced. But this is not the Maha Blanca that I was expecting. It's really a different version of Maha Blanca. If you want a sweet Maha Blanca and you're a sweet tooth, I think you could try this one, Maha Blanca by Maha. But I wasn't so happy because I expected a different taste of Maha Blanca. I like the Maha Blanca of Susie's Cuisine. It's nice, yeah. Maha Blanca of Susie's, but this one, parang may condensed sa taas and super sweet niya. Yung ibang Maha Blanca kasi, di ba, parang milky. Pero ito, sweet talaga. So, if you're a fan of sweet things, I think you could order this. But if not, go for another seller. But this one is for the sweet tooths out there. Now, let us move on with this biko from Homemade Cooks 20 _ Homemade Cooks 20 in Instagram. And I have tasted this already, and this is a reorder. I really loved it, and the whole house loved it. But they have this comment that I really didn't know because the seller calls this biko, but people are telling me that biko should be brownish or orangey because there's kalabasa daw inside ng biko. This is just kalamay lang yata, I think. But they're tinatawag ng seller na biko. I don't know why, pero yung mga tao dito, they insist that this is just kalamay. But I really love it. Everyone loves it talaga. Ang sarap. Hindi super tamis yung taas niya. Tapos yung kanin niya, super tama lang yung lagkit and tama lang yung sweetness. My gosh, heaven. So, dami-dami ng kalamay na natikman ko na. Lalo na dito sa Pampanga, guys, di ba? Ang daming nagkakalamay. And masasarap talaga yung kalamay ng mga Kapampangan. But guys, I promise, itong Homemade by Maan, ang sarap talaga, guys. Noong una, maliit lang in-order namin. Pero ngayon, kailangan malaki kasi yung maliit na in-order namin dati, grabe, hindi man tumagal. Tapos, hindi na kami nag-slice talaga. Kumain na kami dun sa mismong container kasi ang sarap. Tapos, makikita nyo, ayan, nakikita nyo ba? May buko talaga, buo-buo, kaya ang sarap. Ang sarap! Kailangan nyo ito ngayon order. Promise. Ang sad na nahanap ko na yung masarap na kalamay, pero hindi ko ma-share sa mga friends ko sa Manila kasi COVID happened. Ang sarap! Guys, kahit ulit-ulitin ko pa, promise, ang sarap. Tapos na tayo sa Maha Blanca tsaka sa kalamay. So, mag-move on naman tayo dito sa Peachy Peachy. Ayan, meron siyang cheese version and milk version. For reference, favorite Peachy Peachy ko, yung Lola Nena's Peachy Peachy sa Manila, yung malapit sa UST. Super sarap talaga ng Lola Nena. Miss na miss ko na. So, try natin kung matatop nito yung Lola Nena. Tignan natin. Yun yung cheese. Tikman ko yung cheese. Tikman ko yung sabihin nyo. peachy-peachy na to, ewan ko, iba yung texture niya from yung hinahanap kong Lola Nena's peachy-peachy. Parang kalamay talaga yung texture niya. And yung lasa niya, okay naman, pero yung hinahanap ko kasing peachy-peachy like yung kay Lola Nena, medyo matamis. Ito parang lasang-lasa ko yung butter. Although, masarap siya with the nyog version. Yung sa cheese version, parang too much yung butter tsaka cheese together. But yun, pag nyog version, mas gusto ko yung nyog version nila. And it's really different from what I was looking for yung Lola Nena na peachy-peachy. But if you like peachy-peachy na medyo less sweet, ito yun. Ito na. From RM Peachy-Peachy. Now, let's move on to the last one. Super miss na miss ko na yung Good Shepherd na ube siya. And I'm so thankful na meron ako nakita. Ang dami talaga nagbebenta ng ube halaya online. Pero, tinry ko to kasi name niya kasi Best Shepherd sa Facebook. Ay, gusto ko yung Good Shepherd na jam. So, nag-order ako sa Best Shepherd. So, yan. And ganyan yung itsura ng ube nila. And na-order ko na to dati, re-order na ulit to. So, tignan natin din yung consistency nila from yung previous tsaka yung ngayon. Kasi yung first order ko from them, super sarap kasi may bits-bits pa na buo na ube. Kaya I liked it so much. But it didn't taste like Good Shepherd ube siya. Medyo less sweet siya, pero okay na din siya. Lalo na talaga na meron siyang buo-buo na ube dun sa loob. So, try natin kung ganun pa rin siya ngayon. Masarap pa rin siya. Nasa Baguio na ako ngayon, guys. Sarap. Kung nagkikrave talaga kayo ng ube jam ng Baguio, order na kayo sa kanila, guys. Pero one comment, sabi ko kanina, gusto ko yung bits-bits na malaki. Pero ngayon parang shineder na nila yung ube nila. So, hindi na siya buo-buo. Mas gusto ko yung may buo-buo. So, kung nanonood yung owner nito, yun. Mas buo-buo siya ng first time na nag-order ako. Pero ngayon, parang blender na talaga nila. So, super lapot na niya than before. But I really love the taste pa rin. Same taste. Parang na-transport na ako sa Baguio. So, I really love this. And mag-order pa ako ulit for sure. Ayan na guys, so natikman na natin lahat. So I have to say goodbye now. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope I became helpful to you guys in choosing where to order the things that you want to eat during this quarantine season and this new normal that we're all experiencing. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next videos. If you have recommendations on what I should try next, comment down below. So bye-bye! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button. Bye!